today we got a fun video where we're bringing in 5 guys and 5 girls to rate themselves from least attractive to most attractive. But here's the catch. See, they can't actually see what they look like. They'll be rating them purely on outfit. All right, guys, you look good. You look sharp. But I want to see what you guys think. I want you guys to rate yourself or arrange yourself from least attractive to most attractive. Go. You can talk too, like.
Hey, man.
Hey, why do you got
most attractive on this side?
No, so most attractive on this side.
Most attractive on this side? Someone has to be on that side, alright? So
He said most attractive. So you're in the least attractive right now.
No.
Yeah.
Wait, the least. Wait, where's
Hey, y'all are pushing real far to the left.
I'll say. I'm 6'2", so pretty much everything looks good on me. I'm pretty confident. I'm a tall guy, so it makes it easier for me.
So what do we got going on here? You guys like this rating right here? You guys are okay with that? Least attractive. You think you're least attractive?
Definitely not.
Why'd you end up over there?
Everyone pushed me. Yeah, both are.
Where do you think you should be?
Who? I should be somewhere here. Yeah, I think probably between these two guys. Not only do I make the best drinks in Brooklyn, but also I think I dress the best here in Brooklyn.
Oh.
Damn, so you're gonna push me this way?
So 6'2" has to move all the way to the bottom?
6'2" can go to the front.
Oh, 6'2".
He's got the height, man, you know?
Hey, man.
I don't think height matters. I think it's about the outfit and looks.
Yeah.
Confidence.
It's about height,
About the confidence, the look, about everything, not just the height. So.
Okay. On your headphones, I don't want you listening to what they got to say. Behind you, you also will see blue bags. I want you to grab those bags and cover your head with those bags. All right, so these 5 guys, they're all debating to see who's more attractive. So I want you girls to arrange them from least attractive to most attractive. Least attractive being your left side, most attractive being your right side. And by the way, they're blasting music. They can't even hear what I'm saying or what you're gonna say. So go, you can be free.
So I like his outfit. Yeah, it's very like put together. I like the jewelry.
I like
That's
how
very
he's constantly like he's using the colors in his favor though. Like the different khakis and neutrals.
Yeah, I wish this was untucked.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's
kind of
that's not it for me.
They should have untucked it.
And the shoes kind of just throw it off.
The shoes aren't
He goes
bad.
to the gym.
Okay, so start arranging the guys.
So I think he should go first.
Yeah, I go first.
The bags.
And then
I think he should be
yeah,
second.
yeah,
He
yeah,
should
I
be
agree.
second.
Yeah.
And then move down. Guys, move down. Oh, they can't hear us. Okay.
I like his better than. I don't know. This one.
I don't know how you guys, but I think he's definitely last.
Yeah,
I think so too.
sorry.
Oh my God, that's devastating.
No. You know, I think for a casual look. Wait, I don't like this one.
I don't like the
Yeah.
shoes.
I just don't
the
think it
outfit.
works well.
Does it matter if I tell you that that's a very expensive outfit?
Okay.
No,
I know it's expensive.
I'm just saying, that's what you told me, so.
No, I think he's last.
Yeah, same.
Okay. So then we switch over here.
Oh, there we go.
Yes. And I don't know what it is.
Yeah, he's just. This is like an everyday outfit to me.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like I think it works well together.
Yeah,
because it's like it's
Yeah,
like
it
a lot.
works well. And it's
Yeah.
like very
Okay, I think.
All right, this is good?
Yeah.
Hey, man. I'm 1 for 2. I was wrong about me, but I was right about him. You know what I'm saying?
I was completely wrong about myself. You know, number 1 was really confident the whole time. Like he had it in the bag. I don't know if it was the confidence. All right, so do you guys agree with this?
I agree with that. I agree with that.
You agree with that?
I think that's the best fit. I mean, but like, this is more me. This is more me.
Absolutely.
But I wouldn't wear that, but I think that's the best fit.
But see, I'm gonna do one for the boys here. I'm not gonna leave it there. I actually want the boys to rate the girls. How many times can you judge a girl in person? Almost never. We're gonna do that today. I'm curious, why don't you guys arrange yourself between least attractive to most attractive before the guys do so?
I'm gonna put some in the middle.
Wait, you said this is the most?
That's most attractive.
Hello.
Is this clothes?
This is like clothing.
What you think?
Where do you think I go?
Where you think you land?
I don't
The
know.
eyes.
I mean, I'm gonna stay on the ugly one, so.
Yeah. I know, right? Like, this is like.
I will sacrifice for you guys.
You know, girls are nicer. The guys were
Someone judge me.
They were all
Someone
trying to be
judge
number
me.
5.
I don't want to be.
Go right there.
Someone judge me.
Really?
Someone
Yeah.
replace me.
No freaking way.
They all just huddled up in that corner, basically.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna sacrifice for you guys.
I don't like this at all.
Oh,
It makes me so uncomfortable.
We literally arrange ourselves in height.
Okay, so do you guys find this fair? Like, you guys?
No.
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 What do you? All right, most attractive. What do you think? Do you think you belong there or not?
I feel like we all belong here.
Okay, that was nice. But we live in the real world. Least attractive. Do you think you belong there?
I don't know. I feel like I am definitely not ugly, and I definitely know there's other gorgeous women out there. So I put myself in the middle just because, you know, there's
Love
just
it.
so much like that you can
Being
compare
humble.
yourself to.
Guys are pricks. None of them were humble. None of them. Yes. Okay.
On the chest.
Perfect. So now this is the fun part. The guys are gonna come out and actually arrange you based on what they think is least to most attractive, which will be interesting because we have your rating to compare to. Okay, you ladies ready? Yes? It's your time to shine. All right, they're a little mean to you guys. So I want you to rate these girls based on least attractive to most attractive, being the left side least attractive and your right side the most attractive. Go for it.
Alright, you guys wanna go start with least?
Should we start with the least?
Yeah.
And then go up?
And then go up? Yeah. Let's do that first.
Alright,
Start
so
with that.
me personally, I don't know if I'm feeling the top here.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
I feel like it's edgy. No, I feel like
I like
it's
that, like that.
smooth.
Black jeans.
She still adds a little flavor with this jacket. That's just boring though. That's just plain.
You're right.
So
I
let's
saw-
black everything not today though. Alright, let's put that on.
Okay, so move to the yeah, switch places. Alright, so we got that.
Boom.
Alright, so now for me, it's between these two.
Between these two here?
Yeah, for the next spot.
Nah, I like the pattern on this top.
I like the cheetah pattern. I like the cheetah bracelet. I feel like this is more hot, like comfy.
I
like the swag though. I like the cardigan.
I feel like this is like
It's subtle.
like think about like this. Who would you like approach? Like who looks more approachable?
I'm approaching her.
You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like she looks like
Nah, she looks like she's in middle school.
Wait, so you when you say approach, is it because it's easier for you to approach her, or because she's harder to approach because she's more attractive? That's how you rate girls? Like,
Ooh, that's a
No,
good point.
what's
That's a
more
good
appealing
point.
to me?
Very good point.
Like,
so is a girl that's more approachable because she's maybe quote unquote less attractive? Is it that? And she's easier to approach?
No, I think she looks more welcoming.
attractive.
Oh, more welcoming.
I think she
Yeah,
looks more
it's more
welcoming.
welcoming, and I'm more intrigued by what she
You
has
like the
on.
modesty.
Yeah.
Ah,
I feel like her
I like
her outfit
edgy,
is
but
so
it depends
simple
on
that
the
she's
job.
probably confident.
All right, move her to where you want her to be.
Let's put her here. Let's put her here. So you guys switch. You guys switch. And then alright, so we got these three left.
Okay.
I think
one though.
I think off the rip they should switch. Yeah. So you two switch.
No, leave that one.
No. Let's vote it first and see which one is which. Which one is
Ah.
which? Let's say between these two. Which one? They are.
I like the order right now.
I would do this,
You sure?
but then I would do this.
Yeah, this is pretty boring too. This just have a jacket.
That's what I would do.
Nah.
I don't agree with this.
Yeah, I don't agree. I think these two gotta switch.
I think these two should switch.
You need to switch.
Yeah, switch.
Yeah.
I don't know.
No, I'm not feeling that. I'm feeling these two.
Knock is a
She
little.
got more elegance. She got a little more.
Yeah, I feel like.
But this is like more edgy, and I feel like the accessories like.
Are we washing the shoes? I don't know.
I don't know, man. Me personally, I'm not feeling this.
This looks very middle schoolish. I don't like that.
I personally think these two should switch.
Yeah.
I like the original. I like that setup.
Yeah, I got a little more so.
I like this. I like this order right here.
Do you guys want to switch these two? Yes or no?
Nah,
I'm good. I like it.
I like
like
this.
that?
This order is good.
I like a little, you know what I'm saying? It's pizzazz. I like a little flavor with this. You feel me? That's too
This
big.
has no flavor. This is like noodles with no broth.
But she got, it's elevating over. It's like, that's not her flavor. Look, like she got her nails, flavor. She got her jacket.
She got the ring.
You say you like flavor. There's flavor. There's powder.
Nah, but there's not. I feel like it's too boring on its own. I feel like it needs a top. It needs like something on top.
Can you step forward real quick? And you step forward? Yeah.
With just these two?
Between these two outfits, you're telling me that this is better than this. When this has spice. This is noodles with no broth. This ain't it.
Nah, I think this is better.
This is better.
Okay, so you guys.
All right, just put it on a vote. All in favor for number one being better?
I'm in favor for that one.
I'm in favor of her.
I'm in favor of this
I'm in
one.
favor for her too.
All right, so it stays the way it is.
Yeah,
It's
stay
2-1.
back.
All right, so do you guys like the?
Yeah,
the
this order's
scale?
good. This order's good.
Take your earphones off. Take the earphones off. Okay. So one final question before we finish this video. Do you guys agree with the rating that you did originally, now that you can see everything?
I already knew I was gonna be like probably in the middle.
I think everything looks different when you add personality to it.
Yeah.
100%. The confidence of your personality, like how you present yourself, is like a big part of how you outfit. Also translates.
100%. So do you guys want to rearrange now that you've seen?
No, I think
we good.
I like this order. Oh, I'm a little hurt. Yo, these girls don't even know what they want. I know what you need, bro. I know what you want. Let's be real. They don't got good taste. All right, I'm gonna have to find 5 more girls because there is no way in hell Essentials comes 3. But let's be honest, that's better than being number 5. And like I said, it's all about your confidence, right? And the fit was immaculate. Let's be real. Boys, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget that our launch happens March 20th at 10 a.m. Eastern. That's it for me today. See you next.